On this episode, we travel to Skagway, Alaska, where we drive deep into the Yukon Territory of Canada, and we have a close encounter with a silver fox. Then it's into Whitehorse, the capital of the Yukon, and we explore a hidden canyon. After that, we travel to Sitka, Alaska in search of good internet, and we explore the town. We hope you enjoy the video.
Hey there, I'm Rose.
And I'm Dan, and we are the Half-Ass Travelers. Good morning! How are you today?
We are in Skagway,
Alaska.
And we are renting a car and we are hightailing it across.
Across what? The border, right?
Yes, we're going to go through the border. Yes.
We crossed on the last
to the
trip.
Yukon in Canada.
Yes, last trip we went across the Rio Grande. This trip we're going across into Yukon. And this is how we're doing it.
Eh?
Right there. Affordable car rental in Skagway. We'll let you know how it turns out.
Yep.
Ready to see some sights?
Let's go.
Let's do it. Hey guys, guess what we found? This beautiful mountain lake. And now we're on the beach.
Yeah, it's amazing.
We forgot our swimsuits. Next time.
Next time.
It's a beautiful area. Enjoy. Oh, oh, a fox.
Wait. Stop.
He's coming this way. It's not a cat. No.
It's a fox.
It's a fox.
Hi, baby fox. Baby fox. Baby fox.
He's right in front of us.
He's so pretty.
That's a fox.
That's a real fox.
There's a fox blocking the road.
Here he comes. He's coming right to your window. Can you get a pic for me?
Look, he's looking at the camera. Can I get over here?
No, don't move.
Okay. Oh, he's coming to your side. Come to your side. It's amazing what you'll find if you're not afraid to take a little bit of a risk and go off the beaten path. Because we rented a car today and decided to do our own thing, we found this cool little town of Carcross. And if you look behind us, that looks like the crossing for...
The train comes through.
Right, the train from Skagway. So we're coming right where, I guess, the train comes. So I don't know if we would have seen this. I don't know if the train stops here. But wow, what a cool town.
It is.
And how about that fox, huh?
Oh yeah,
Oh,
the
my
white-tailed fox came right up to the car. He wanted to jump in.
They need to change the name of this town from Carcross to Foxcross.
Yeah, it's a good one.
All right, we're going to continue.
Bye.
We've said it before, and now I'm going to say it again. Don't be afraid to go off the beaten path, and make sure you always ask the locals where to go.
Look what we found.
This is Miles Canyon. We are in Whitehorse, Yukon. We're about as far from the ship as we can get and still have time to get back. But we have plenty of time, so don't worry about us. But this is absolutely gorgeous. What a great location. If you're ever in Whitehorse, or you want to come to Whitehorse, don't miss Miles Canyon. Well, we picked up the car around 7:30 this morning, and we went out to, what was it, Whitehorse?
Yep.
The capital of the Yukon Territory.
Yep.
And we did all of this and still managed to make it back by 2 o'clock. So right now we're gonna go check out an old favorite place of ours, the Red Onion Saloon.
Yep, can't wait. Well, that was great.
Yep, we had a good time in the Red Onion, as we always do. Now we're heading back to the cruise ship. Just got to drop the car off at the parking lot, which is about 100 meters from here, 100 yards.
Yeah.
Sorry, we were in Canada, I'm speaking in meters. 100 yards from here. And after that, we're gonna get back on the ship. Not sure what we're gonna do tonight, but if we do anything interesting, we will keep you informed, right?
See you then.
Well, good morning, half-fasters. We are on a tender boat. That's right, we're in Sitka, Alaska, and it's a tender port day. So we're going ashore to look for some decent internet. Because the internet on the ship is not the quickest. And the cellular connection out here is spotty at best. So, ashore we go. We just want to reach out and say thank you to the Sitka Public Library for providing free Wi-Fi. We got some work done, and now we're off to explore the rest of Sitka.
Yep.
What'd you think of Sitka, huh?
It was a cute little town.
Very little.
We didn't get to explore too much because we had some work to do. But it was really cute.
All right, hon, we're gonna bid Alaska a proper and fond farewell.
Farewell, Alaska.
And thank you for all the joy you brought us on this trip.
Yes.
Rose is miserable. She doesn't like sea days. We're gonna make the most of our sea days.
We're gonna have 5 of them upcoming.
5 sea days. You're about to see what we do on our sea days.
But when we go to Hawaii, I'm gonna be so happy.
Yeah, the next mountains you see will be in Hawaii.
Yes.